In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple quantities to an eBay listing. If you're managing inventory and wish to list several units of the same item on eBay, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, let's head over to your web browser and search for eBay. Once the search results load, click on the first result, which should take you directly to the eBay homepage. Now, in the top left corner of the page, you'll want to click on Sign In. This will prompt you to enter your account details. If you haven't already, log in with your eBay credentials to access your account dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate towards the upper part of the page where you see My eBay. There's a small arrow beside it. Give that a click and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Selling to proceed to your selling overview. In the selling section, you will see your drafts, active listings, and more. What we need to do now is look for the Resume Draft option. This is where your draft listings are stored. Click on Resume Draft to open the listing that you want to add multiple quantities to. Once you have your draft open, the next step is to locate the pricing section. This area allows you to adjust how you want to sell your products. Here, you need to confirm that the selling format is set to Buy It Now. This allows potential buyers to purchase immediately, making it simple when you have more than one item to sell. Now let's focus on the quantity field. This is where you'll specify the number of items available for sale. Enter the quantity that accurately represents your available stock. It's important to make sure this number reflects what you have on hand to ensure customer satisfaction and accurate sales tracking. Once you've set the quantity, review your listing details. Double-check the price, the item description, and ensure that everything looks correct. Now, with a confident click, select List It. By doing this, your listing goes live, making it available for buyers to view and purchase multiple quantities as per their needs. As easy as that, you now have a listing with multiple quantities available for eager buyers. This method is particularly useful for sellers who deal with products in bulk or have a replenishment system in place. Remember, effective inventory management is key to maintaining a successful and busy eBay store, and being able to sell multiple quantities efficiently can save you a lot of effort down the line. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and don't forget to leave a comment or any questions you might have. Thank you for watching, and happy selling on eBay.